Hello supermobile fans, happy day to you all. One of the major issues of using an entry-level smartphone from Tecno or any other brand is that you are stuck with a 1 or 2 GB RAM and limited Android 10 Go edition. But Tecno has listened to us again because the new Spark 6 Go is coming with not only 2, not even up to 3, but surprisingly a large and faster 4 GB RAM version, which is exciting and cool. Although the 2 GB RAM version still runs on the limited Android 10 Go edition, but the 3 and 4 GB RAM versions will have the full complete unlimited Android 10 version while still keeping the price low, because you still get an entry-level Helio 820 quad-core processor which is capable of running your daily tasks and some low-graphic games without stress. The Spark 6 Go also joins the big 5000 mAh battery family, which should last you for more than a day on average usage. Also, the Spark 6 Go now has a standard 10W charger, which is a manageable upgrade from the slower 6W charger we usually get. The 13MP dual rear camera with an f1.8 big aperture size is also a good upgrade at this price, but it still retains similar 8MP selfie camera, which is also okay. The display size is 6.52 inches with a 720p HD Plus screen resolution, which gives a cinematic viewing experience. I believe the water drop notch is still a valid option in 2020. It is nice to have a fingerprint and face unlock security at this price. Are you excited about the faster improvements in the Tecno Spark 6 Go entry-level smartphone? Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below. One more cool upgrade is that the Spark 6 Go allows you to share and connect multiple Bluetooth speakers simultaneously, which is more entertaining and fun. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on for my unboxing and full review video as soon as I can get one. Thanks for watching. Remain humble, stay safe, bye.